All right, this is block number, I think, 10. Hope that's right. Block 10. Go ahead and fill out your title blocks. Scale ½ inch equals an inch. Those just fit on our paper nice and neat. So we're doubling our numbers and doubling our numbers. If your block is ending up pretty well centered, stick with the same starting point and go right about there. All right, hopefully we are kind of getting away from the post-it note, getting away from these videos, kind of figuring out how to draw these on our own without a whole lot of help. I always try to draw these shapes front to back, left to right. So I'm going to start in this corner. I'm going to draw out this face, give it depth, and then just work my way left to right, front to back. Okay, so even though I'm not looking at my post-it here, I'm going to kind of go ahead and say the steps out loud. So I'm going to find the dimension here is 1.5. Adjust for scale, so it's 3. Height, width, or depth, it's a width. Width goes on the X. So I'm going to come along the X. 1, 2, 3. I'm using a Sharpie so you guys can see better. You should not be. All right, I need to do my height here. It's 1.5. Adjust for scale, it becomes 3. It's a height. Height goes on Y. So come up the Y. 3 on both sides. Connect the top, close my shape. Okay, now I need to kind of go ahead and add my depth so I can get to the rest of the shape. Where this block is, I nailed it to this block just to make the block. You don't need to show that line there. If you want to, you can, but you don't need to. All right, overall depth front to back is 1 plus 1.5. So here to here is 2.5. Here to here is 1. So 2.5, 1. So I'm going to do here first. So 2.5, adjust for scale becomes 5. Depth goes on Z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that gets me back here. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one and this one as well. So 1, adjust for scale is 2. Height, width, or depth, it's depth. Depth goes on Z. Okay. Now I'm going to do this line. 3.5, adjust for scale, 7. Height, width, or depth, top to bottom is a height. Height goes on Y. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go here, 2 becomes 4. Width goes on X. Okay, I'm going to go here, 1.5, adjust, 3. It's a depth. Depth goes on Z. Okay. Now I need to get down to here. So that is 3.5 minus 1.5, which is 2. 2 when I adjust, becomes 4. It's a height. Height goes on Y. Okay, that puts me here. So I'm going to come along this one. 1, adjust, 2. It's a depth. Depth goes on Z. Okay, that puts me here. I want to do this one. 1.5, adjust, 3. It's a width. Width goes on X. Okay, so now I'm here. I want to do this and this. 1.5, adjust, 3, it's a height. Height goes on Y. Okay, connect, do my bottom there. I don't know if there was a better time to have got this. I need this line. Okay, you should just kind of be able to see where that is. It's going to go there, and then it's just going to kind of go and hide behind this. So here, and then it just kind of goes until it disappears behind that other one. All right, I need these two lines. 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. Adjust, it's 5 to depth. Depth goes on Z. Okay, just going to connect the backs of them. All right, I didn't draw this line earlier. I guess I could have. I just wasn't there yet. So that's 1.5, adjust, 3, it's a depth. Depth goes on Z. Okay, and then I'm just going to connect here to here to here, and that should finish me up. All right, that is, I think, block 10. If I'm wrong, put the correct number. Raise your hand, show me, put it in your folder, and you're good to go.